Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy Economic Calendar of the Week. Each week, our news analysts review the upcoming economic events that you should be monitoring during the next week. There's a slew of data on the calendar as we enter a new month and get ready to close 2014. But most of these events will fail to make any market headlines or action. Traders will focus on the ECB meeting and stimulus decision on Thursday, and then the US non-farm payroll data on Friday. The Reserve Bank of Australia and the Bank of England will also meet this week. The RBA board meets for the final time in 2014, and after that meeting, it doesn't meet next until February 2015. The Reserve Bank governor has been trying to get consumers and businesses focused on spending, investing, and employing rather than constantly looking over their shoulders about imminent rate changes. Inflation is under control, so rates are on hold. Traders will be focusing on the European Central Bank's policy meeting on Thursday, after European Central Bank President Mario Draghi indicated this past week that he's open to the possibility of adopting further easing measures should they be required. The non-farm payrolls data is released alongside the monthly trade figures, consumer credit, and factory orders. In October, 214,000 jobs were created, close to the average rate of 220,000 over 2014. And the jobless rate hit a 7-year low of 5.8%. Analysts are looking for more of the same in November, around 230,000 jobs created, and a jobless rate of 5.8%. If job creation proves far stronger, and associated with yet another drop in the jobless rate, then analysts will need to rethink the timing of the first rate hike, currently slated for the second half of 2015. In China, the key dates for economic data are Monday and Wednesday. On Monday, the official Purchasing Managers Index for manufacturing is released alongside the HSBC version of the report. And on Wednesday, both bodies release the equivalent Purchasing Managers Indexes for the services sector. The services sector is arguably more important than manufacturing, but investors have to get their heads around this new reality. There should be a lot of market volatility this week after the OPEC decision late week sent the US dollar to a record high and gold tumbling. The crude oil inventory on Thursday could be an event to also keep an eye on.